So let's open our Atom. Want to run as administrator. And once it's opened, we're going to create a folder for our website. Click on create a folder and add a folder. Now, this is where I want to put my folder. Your own can be anywhere in your system. I name it Learn Hub Tutor. Select it. Now let's add our file. Our first page, just like every other website, is this page. So let's save our index page and name it as index.html. The language we are using is HTML. Sorry, sorry about PHP. Now you will see that just type in HTML in this is as a result of a package I have installed. And you too, you can install it. So I will show you how to install that package. Click on install and type in Emmet. Not this one. Scroll down. Yeah, this is Emmet. I've already installed it. So here you can install it. If you have not installed, you can disable or you can set it up. With Emmet, we are done. Now let's work on our meta data. Meta is what we tell the search engine what your website is about. So our website is LearnHub, and our content is the description we give to the website. So let me just put a demo description for here. Platform you learn a top-notch skills. So our title is what we show in the page if we don't have a fifth one. So learn how. So this is our website title. That is all for the head. So let's go to the body. In the body, you can see H1 to H6. These are the text size you can use. So our H1 heading is the largest, while H6 is the smallest. So as we move from H1 to H6, it increases in size. So a full stack web development and Flutter app development. So we can copy it and H2, H3 to H6 so that we check how it looks like. You will notice that the H1 to H6 they are it also has a close tag. Now this horizontal row is a self-closing tag. It doesn't have another tag after the first one. So horizontal, we want to rule it, put a line to separate each of these text size. Yeah, we are done here. We can save it. So Let's create image folder. Put in the image I already use. I copy it and paste it in the folder. You can likewise paste it in the root folder. We'll use it too, so that we know how to call our image file. So let's rename it. I like to use a shorter name. I'll just name it logo. And let's copy it to our root folder. Duplicate it, well, let's copy it. If you want to duplicate it, you have to give it another name. So you can see it is in the same root folder with the index and other pages that we create. So it's a different way you will call it than when you're calling the other ones that is inside the image folder. So here you just call it direct logo.png. Our alternative text is when the image did not show. This text will show to the user describing what the image is about. You must have seen it several times. Let's check. Now you will see that the image is very large. You can resize it. Use our horizontal row. So let's resize our image. Yes, style. And the style we want to use width and height. And we are going to use a pixel. That is 100 pixel by 100 pixel. And using any size you want, depending on what you are looking for or looking at. Let's save it and check. Refresh. You see that our image is now smaller. You can see the H1 to H6 how the font is. Now let's call our image from the image folder instead of calling it from the root directory. Here you have to use image slash, that is forward slash the image you are calling. As it is like this, it will not work because of the forward slash before the image. Let's remove it. Saved and refresh. Now, how do we call our image from the website? That's the next thing we are going to talk about. To call our image from the website, you have to copy the URL of the image. You see that this doesn't work and the text shown. So let's remove that and copy our image from the website. Let's copy this guy. And don't use copy link. Copy image link is the one to use. So let's refresh and we see the image from the website. To use video in our site, we are going to use the iframe. Just iframe. Then the same thing we do with the images. We cannot do the same thing. Instead of using img, we are going to use iframe. So the source is from website. website. You can get it from your folder and it will work awesome. Okay, guys, watch the remaining part of the tutorial. See you next.